How omega-3 fatty acids repair and maintain your hair. 7 benefits. Are you looking to get healthier and stronger hair? Then you need to start adding omega-3 to your diet. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that we need to consume from various edible foods, as our body can't produce the 2 main fatty acids, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These fatty acids are predominantly found in oily fish and marine algae. A third type of omega-3 fatty acid, ALA, alpha-lipoic acid, is found in nuts, seeds and vegetables. So, how does eating omega-3 rich foods enable you to have beautiful skin and hair? What exactly does omega-3 do or provide that's so good for your hair? What are the changes you'll notice to your hair after changing your diet to include omega-3 rich foods? And what are the overall benefits of omega-3 for your hair? Before you discover the answers to these questions, would you like to get an ongoing collection of news, reports, resources and courses on various health and wellness issues linked or connected with omega-3? It's so easy to access. Just take a quick moment to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll never miss out on future videos uploaded to this channel again. Plus, watch this video to the very end to get access to a special report download entitled Top 7 Benefits for Your Skin Provided by Omega-3. Now, on to those answers and solutions for your hair problems. The important thing to remember is that omega-3 fatty acids contain anti-inflammatory properties, which means that the skin cells are kept healthy and moist, thereby protecting from any inflammatory factors. So, the top 7 benefits of omega-3 for your hair are 1. Omega-3 reduces the risk of eczema. By keeping your skin healthy, omega-3s dramatically reduce the risk of eczema, sometimes known as seborrheic dermatitis, a condition that causes itchy and flaky skin and mostly affects the scalp. 2. Omega-3 prevents hair loss. If you've been losing hair and have tried many types of magic solutions with no positive results, then it's time to check and change your diet. The omega-3 fatty acids help to prevent and reduce hair loss by improving blood circulation to your scalp, which means that more oxygen and nutrients are going to help encourage hair growth. 3. Your hair is going to be healthier. Consequently, the omega-3 fatty acids will nourish the follicles, helping your hair to grow stronger, shinier and thicker, thereby making it easier to manage. Overall, you'll probably save yourself a small fortune from wasting your money on those magic solutions. Now, that's worth treating yourself to something, isn't it? 4. Omega-3 protects from sun damage. Exposure to the sun doesn't only affect your skin, but also your hair. Some signs of sun damage to your hair are split ends, frizziness, dry strands and discoloration. If you want to protect your hair from those symptoms, you can use a heat protectant spray. However, for the long-term benefits, then eat omega-3 rich foods, especially as they may also reduce the sensitivity to harmful ultraviolet or UV rays. For many people, the damage to the hair needs to be repaired, whilst the omega-3 benefits are working their magic from inside your body. One solution is to do what Italian women do, and that's to use extra virgin olive oil as part of their hair conditioning and treatment. Not only is it helpful in repairing and maintaining the hair, but it's also beneficial for the scalp. Below in the description box is a URL link to a playlist you might find helpful to the ongoing health of your hair. 5. Omega-3 helps prevent dandruff. Dandruff is created by your scalp suffering from dry skin, from conditions like eczema, psoriasis and other types of irritants. As omega-3 fatty acids nourish the scalp and reduce the irritation, it prevents dandruff from occurring and mitigates it when you already suffer from it. 6. omega-3 helps bring a glow back to your skin. Because omega-3 fatty acids nourish the skin, thereby aiding healthy hair, it helps to put you in a better mood or state of mind, and from there, your confidence is boosted as a result. That alone should bring a smile back to your face, and a happy face means a happy you. That in itself helps bring a glow back to your skin. The whole process becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. So, what are the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids? Here's a list of foods that are rich in DHA and EPA omega-3 fatty acids. 1. Canola oil. 2. Walnuts. 3. Chia seeds. 4. Flax seeds. 5. Soybeans. 6. Sardines. 7. Mackerel. 8. Oysters. 9. Salmon. And 10. Herring. You can also take omega-3 fatty acid supplements, especially if you're not eating a healthy diet high in omega-3. However, if you currently experience any heart problems or blood thinning issues, always check with your local doctor to determine the safe levels of omega-3 to consume. And finally, benefit number 7. It could make you look younger, perhaps. There's no scientific proof, of course, that suggests by repairing and maintaining your hair that you'll look younger, but let's face it, especially for a woman, if your hair is going to be shinier, feel fuller and healthier, all the while your skin has an added glow to it, and you're feeling absolutely terrific, then it's probably fair to say that you will feel and look a few years younger than you had previously. Conclusion. When it comes to repairing your hair, the obvious answer would appear to be to approach the problem externally. In other words, expensive shampoos and hair treatments seem to be the obvious weapons to apply. However, the less obvious solution is to attack your problem from the inside, that is, from your body. And this is where omega-3 fatty acids are so effective. You see, the body sheds its cells every 120 days on average, as the anti-inflammatory omega-3s compete with the inflammatory omega-6s, which come from unhealthy foods such as deep fried potatoes, chips, burgers, processed foods, sweets and so on, to nourish each cell. All the time the omega-6s are preventing the omega-3s from reaching and nourishing the cells, your skin is being deprived and starved of the right nutrients. So, the sooner you change to a much healthier diet that includes omega-3 rich foods, the sooner your body cells, including your skin and hair follicles, can recover and start the process of making your life a lot more healthier and happier. We hope you've enjoyed the information provided in this video. You can find this video in the playlist on the Omega-3 Zone channel. The URL link is shown in the description box below this video. Obviously, if you do like the content in this video and maintaining or improving your health and fitness is a priority in your life, then please feel free to share this video with like-minded people. In which case, by subscribing to the Omega-3 Zone channel, please click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and then by clicking the bell icon, this will ensure that you get notified of future videos being uploaded. And don't forget to download your special report entitled Top 7 Benefits for Your Skin Provided by Omega-3. Access it by clicking on the URL link in the description box below this video. And now for the boring but essential bit. Kindly note the content of this video does not constitute medical advice in any shape or form and has been created for passive informational purposes only. End of boring but essential bit. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.